The crypto world is buzzing. There's a new headline grabbing everyone's attention. Pi Network just hit a major milestone, and it's sending waves through the entire industry. Kraken, one of the most respected US exchanges, has officially added Pi to its 2026 roadmap, an announcement that's turning heads. For the first time, a major American exchange is recognizing Pi's potential and opening the door to mainstream adoption. This announcement has electrified the Pi community, sparking excitement and hope for the future. After years of skepticism and countless debates, Pi is finally being taken seriously by the wider crypto world. For millions of pioneers who mined Pi on their phones, this is a moment of validation, a reward for their belief and persistence. The dream of Pi as a globally traded asset is closer than ever, connecting people from every corner of the world. This isn't just about price, it's about making finance accessible to everyone, no matter where they live or what they earn. Pi's vision is a financial system where anyone can participate, no matter their background or resources, leveling the playing field for all. Kraken's move signals a new era for Pi, bringing credibility, hope, and a sense of legitimacy to the project. Pioneers stuck with the project through doubt and criticism, building a strong community that never gave up. Now, their patience is paying off, and their efforts are finally being recognized on a global stage. This is a turning point for digital money, where community and belief drive real change, and ordinary people become part of something bigger. Even if you're new to crypto, Pi's story matters. It's a story of innovation, resilience, and the power of collective action. It's about breaking barriers and creating new opportunities worldwide, opening doors that were once closed. Whether you're a long-time pioneer or just curious, this is a pivotal moment, a chance to witness history in the making. The next chapter for Pi is about to begin, and the possibilities are endless. The world is watching as Pi steps into the spotlight, ready to prove itself on the global stage. The revolution in digital currency is unfolding right now, and Pi is at the heart of it. Pi's journey proves that big changes start with small actions. One tap, one person, one idea at a time. Millions of people, one shared goal, a new kind of money that belongs to everyone. Let's explore what makes Pi so unique and why its journey is just getting started. The future of finance might just start here, with Pi leading the way. So, what is Pi Network? Let's break it down in simple terms. It's a new kind of cryptocurrency, designed for everyone, no matter your background or experience with crypto. Launched in 2019 by Stanford grads, Pi's mission is simple: make crypto accessible to all, not just tech experts or investors. Unlike Bitcoin, you don't need expensive hardware or technical know-how. Just your smartphone is enough to get started. Mining Pi is as easy as tapping a button once a day, making it incredibly user-friendly. There's no draining your phone's battery, no complicated setup, and no technical skills required at all. This simplicity attracted millions of users who are now known as pioneers in the Pi community. Pi's unique approach is to build a strong, engaged community first, and then launch the coin to the world. Early members help secure the network, test new features, and shape its future direction together. The goal isn't just to create another coin, it's to build a full digital economy where Pi can be used for real transactions. Imagine buying goods and services worldwide, powered by Pi, making global commerce more accessible. It's a peer-to-peer marketplace, not just a speculative asset where people can trade directly and securely. Pi puts power in the hands of everyday people from the very start, giving everyone a fair chance. The vision is clear: a global, inclusive financial ecosystem that connects people everywhere. Pi is redefining what currency can be in the digital age, opening new possibilities for how we use money. It's bold, ambitious, and built for the modern world, inviting everyone to be part of the future of finance. Pi's real strength? Its people. Every individual brings something unique to the table, creating a vibrant, ever-growing network. The network grew through simple referrals. Invite friends, grow together. Each invitation was a step toward a shared vision. From a few thousand to over 15 million active users worldwide. Pi's reach has become truly global, connecting people across continents. This isn't just a number, it's a movement. It's a living, breathing community that's growing stronger every day. Students, shopkeepers, artists, many new to crypto, joined as pioneers. People from all walks of life are finding their place in this ecosystem. Pi's human-centric approach makes it unique. It's designed for real people, not just tech experts or traders. It's about trust, not trading bots. Genuine connections matter more than algorithms. Every daily tap strengthens the network. Each action, no matter how small, helps build something bigger. Pi imagines a world where financial power is decentralized, and everyone has a voice in the system. Value can move directly between people, anywhere, with low fees, no middlemen, just peer-to-peer empowerment. This is a shot at a fairer, more inclusive global economy. It's about giving everyone a chance to participate. Pi's community is its foundation. Users are miners, customers, and builders. They shape the future together. Their belief gives Pi real potential. It's the collective hope that fuels progress. Most projects dream of this kind of user base. Pi's community is active, passionate, and growing every day. The community's collective action is what could make Pi a global currency. Together they're building something lasting. It's a revolution powered by people, not just technology. The human spirit is at the heart of Pi's journey. That's the secret behind Pi's momentum, and why its story is just beginning. Pi Network broke the crypto mold. Most coins launch, hype, and chase quick profits. Pi did the opposite: community and tech first, trading later. For years, Pi ran on an enclosed mainnet, a walled garden for testing and building. Pioneers could use Pi within the network, but not trade it externally. This protected the project from whales and speculation. The focus: real value and utility before open trading. Pi's mobile-first mining made crypto accessible to all. The team encouraged developers to build real apps, not just hype. Critics called it slow, but the community understood the vision. Building something lasting takes time and patience. Now, with exchanges taking notice, Pi's unique strategy is paying off. It's a test of faith, and it's about to enter a new phase. Pi's steady approach could set a new standard for crypto. The big question: will Pi be listed on top exchanges? Here's what's real. Kraken has added Pi to its 2026 asset roadmap. This means Kraken is seriously considering Pi, but it's not a guarantee. Listing requires regulatory and technical checks. For now, Binance and Coinbase haven't made official announcements. Ignore rumors. Trust only verified news from exchanges or the Pi team. Kraken's move could influence others, but it's just the first step. A successful listing on one exchange often leads to more. Pi is now on the radar of major players. The project is entering a new exciting phase. For Pi to trade on major exchanges, key steps remain. First, Pi must move from an enclosed to an open mainnet, connecting to the wider crypto world. Next, users must complete KYC, identity verification for security and compliance. Only verified pioneers can transfer Pi to exchanges. Building a real ecosystem is crucial. Apps and businesses must accept Pi. The more real-world uses, the stronger Pi's value. The team must also navigate regulations and maintain strong leadership. Trust and stability are essential for exchange listings. Once these pieces are in place, global trading can begin. The path is clear. Now it's about execution. A currency's true value is in its use. Pi aims to power everyday transactions: coffee, groceries, services. Even in the enclosed phase, pioneers have traded Pi for real goods. These peer-to-peer exchanges prove the community believes in Pi's value. The core team is building tools for developers. Imagine a Pi app store. Small businesses could accept Pi globally, bypassing banks and fees. This could unlock economic potential for millions. Pi's focus on utility bridges the gap for the unbanked. The goal: a global, inclusive digital cash system. Pi's value will come from real-world use, not just trading. Pi's path hasn't been easy. The long wait for open mainnet tested everyone's patience. Skeptics doubted, but the community stayed strong. Early trading on small exchanges brought volatility and confusion. Pi must prove its worth in a crowded market. Internal leadership challenges have surfaced. Unity is crucial. Managing 15 million users is a massive task. Scaling KYC and building a secure, thriving ecosystem are essential. The team must execute flawlessly to earn global trust. Overcoming these hurdles is key to Pi's revolutionary promise. Pi Network's story is about more than crypto. It's about changing money itself. It's a movement for a fairer, more accessible financial future. Pi puts people at the center of the digital economy. The journey isn't over. Open mainnet and mass adoption are next. Kraken's recognition is a turning point. Years of patience are about to pay off. The world is watching as Pi's dream becomes reality. Do you believe in a decentralized, inclusive future? The revolution in money is here. Are you ready to be part